What's up, guys? We're back for another video. Today this is... Okay, well, we're tuning this Integra. Alright, guys, so this is Devin's car. And I'm going to put his Instagram in the link below, or in the description below, so check it out. And we're going to be tuning this car today. Andrew, what's done to it?
Well, first of all, it's rebuilt stock internals. It's got a Skunk 2 66mm throttle body, and then the Pro Series intake. It's got the 1320 unequal length header for it, so it sounds like a Subi.
That thing's sweet.
It's got the whale penis exhaust from Password JDM.
Whale penis exhaust?
Yeah.
Intake? Intake.
And it has a specially hydro-dipped cap for his
power steering,
which it still has.
Still has power
and then
steering.
It has also Skunk 2, like socks, stuff like that. eBay short radiator. Yonaka coilovers. Looks like probably...
Wait, so are these the same coilovers as yours then?
No, these are the street series. So on my car, I have the race series, which come with 18K and 12K springs. These come with 12K and 8K springs, so they're more streetable.
Gotcha.
That's probably why they go lower.
Type R side skirts.
He's got an
Mugen front
fuel
lip
regulator, fuel rail. I don't know what pump he's got in it. We got to check that.
It's probably stock pump. Stock
Yeah.
pump, stock
Looks
injectors,
like stock
I think.
Injectors, but they look like they're brand new. And that's about it there. I don't know about the clutch. I think he said it was an XTD.
XTD.
Yeah.
eBay.
XTD or something, stage 2 or...
Wait, is it XTD or is it XCD?
I don't know.
It might be XTD because he said eBay.
Oh, that's
It's
XTD then.
XTD.
Those are solid. I had one of those in my EG. It was good. I had a stage 3. But yeah, so we're gonna get going on this. We have to. It's running on a stock EC right now, and it's running really weird because he's got the fuel pressure is kind of off and acting funky. So we got to figure that out. And we're gonna put a Hondata in here and wire the wideband into the ECU so we can go ahead and tune it.
Say it again.
Okay, what we're doing right now is this is the D pin right here. So we're trying to, or the D connector, we're trying to cut D14 so we can wire the wideband into it. The way that you count these is you look at the wire side and you go from left to right. And on OBD1, it's 1, 2, then the next one over, 3, 4. So for D14, you want to go 7 over and then 1 down, or just 5 over from the left. So this is the D14 right here. So what we're going to do is just cut this right in the center. And we're going to put connectors on this so that way we can plug the wideband into it. And then when we're all done tuning, we can just plug it back into itself so he can still run closed loop with the original O2 sensor that's still in the car. We got these connectors, so I'm just going to go ahead and crimp this on here.
Why not just drive the Integra? It's gotta be... Yeah, pull that off. It's right there. Yeah.
There we go. Okay. This is a tiny wire, dude. There we go. Alright, so we're gonna plug in the jumper harness now. We're gonna have to adjust it if it's reading off again, remember? This goes in here.
Tell her that?
Yeah.
Devin the leg and stole it.
Alright, you're all hooked up.
All right, start it.
Well, we gotta write a tune to it.
Yeah, I know. But like, let's see what it has on there. Just like start it for 1 second. I just want to see. Just make sure the fuel pump kicks on and. Oh, wow, it runs good.
Sorry. That's totally normal. But this is the tune that we got to do right here. Slash P74 US Integra LSGS. So this is what we're writing to it. We're going to upload it right now. Can't fit.
Andrew, do you got room back there?
Yeah, he's got enough.
Yeah, move back.
You can move your legs over here if you need to.
I'm gonna move back a little bit.
All right. You need more?
No, that should be okay, I think.
All right. All right. So we're in Devin's Integra now. Nick's gonna be tuning it.
We just scraped.
We think we got it.
Scraped snow, maybe.
Did the distributor time to what it need to be? Yeah, you know why too? It's because he didn't roll the quarters. They're all unrolled. Are you doing that, or is it?
It's doing that.
Oh, okay.
All right, hang on, pull over for a second. Let's just add fuel to the whole map. I'm gonna add like 10%.
Yeah.
The whole thing. I wish I knew the keyboard shortcuts, but I don't.
I know.
Oh, let's right click, adjust. We'll just add 10% to the whole map.
All right, and then upload it. Oh, there you go. That helped.
To help.
For sure, you could tell.
Add another 10%.
I'd add 20.
Jesus, dude, you got E85 in here?
90. I got mid-grade. I'd do like 25.
And we'll just do another 10%, and then we'll go from there, because I don't want to add too much.
Right.
Alright. Let me write it.
All right.
Hey, that's pretty
Oh.
Oh, Rich.
Yeah, but it was just lean at idle. That's what it was.
Yeah. We might have to undo 10% and then add just to the idle section.
Right. That's what I would do right now.
Okay, so here's okay. It's just higher up. It gets lean right here. This has to go up. Okay, well let me just smooth out the map and then we should be okay.
Wait, how are you eating a Slurpee in this cold weather?
Where?
That guy right there.
Try that.
All right, so we're getting close to the tune being kind of ready for him to go and just be able to drive it home and stuff. It was just idling at 14.7, and Nick's been messing with the tune for probably about an hour-ish now, or maybe a little longer.
I'm just messing with the watt stuff now because really you should never be in like the 14s at watt.
Yeah. That's his car rubbing.
Too many people in the car.
Oh!
Ah, that was a bad one.
Yeah, we've got 4 people deep in this Integra.
I know there's a bunch of ways of how to spell Devin. D-E-V-O-N.
Oh, yeah.
D-V-I-N. Okay, cool. And then we'll call it
Diven. Devin.
Devin.
Dude, you guys are fucked. Devin.
What's up, guys? That is going to be the end of this video. We didn't really finish tuning his car 100% because I had to leave. But we got his car good enough to drive home and good enough to drive around for now until the weather gets better. Because his car was barely running. One thing that I do want to note is we did have trouble setting his ignition timing, and I wanted to ask you guys about it. I started the set ignition timing in Hondata, and I had it set to 16 degrees. And we use the timing light. The timing light's just a regular one, doesn't have any adjustment, so it's at 0 degrees. So technically we should be able to point the light down at the crank and turn the distributor until it's in between the 2 lines. Well, there's 3 lines on the crank pulley. There's the one in the center, which is 16, and then it's plus or minus 2. So there's it goes 14 and 18. The closest we were able to get by turning the distributor all the way was to 18. And the car did not like it. Like, it just did not want to run right. So we put it back towards the center, and the car ran a lot better. And I know it's not really good to leave it that way. It is NA, so we don't really have to worry about anything crazy. But I'm just kind of wondering why it's like that, because I feel like the car likes it more towards the center. So I don't know. I mean, the idle was like really messed up when we did that too. It was running, I think, either super rich or super lean. So it was running at like 10 or like 18 or something like that. So maybe that has something to do with it. We didn't let the car warm up all the way either, and it was cold out. So I guess that could be part of it as well. But I guess let me know your input on that. And I guess we'll probably get it taken care of next time we work on it. I'm still new at all this stuff, so any tips that you guys have are really helpful. But yeah, guys, like the video if you actually liked it. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel for more. And thank you for watching. Peace out.